Hi there, this is Pritam. In this video, I am going to show you how to create Windows High Performance Power Plan if it is missing. So first of all, we need to right click on the battery icon and now we need to go to Power Options. As you can see, Windows High Performance Power Plan is currently missing. So to create Windows High Performance Power Plan, we need to click on Create a Power Plan. So let's click on it. And now from here, we need to click on High Performance. Now we need to name it. Now we need to name the plan name. So let's name it as High Performance. So now from here we need to click on Next. And again from here we need to click on Create. So by this High Performance Power Plan has been created, and now we can enable Windows High Performance Power Plan. So that's it for this video, and thanks for watching.